together. And she promises him that they are going to stick together. The next night, he goes over to Jade Benning's house for date night. The date night that she's planned. She has canvases so that they can paint pictures for the baby's room. He goes over there to the date night with cocaine to put in her drink. He goes to the date night. The testimony that you heard from Nijaiha Jackson and from Keontae Jones about them stopping by, that whole time that he's shuffling those Uno cards, he has the cocaine to put in her drink. He gets there at 7 p.m. They show up at 7:30 for 30 minutes talking about spades and having random conversation, and he has it. He does not call 911 until 9:29:27. I'm sorry, the call that Jade makes is at 9:29:27. EMTs don't get to her until 9:50. Dr. Carney's testimony is that Jade was given the cocaine that she ingested orally 30 minutes before. You have this photograph from 8/29 that shows the progress. She has not been given anything at that point. The next image that you have is at 9:10 p.m. It is somewhere between this point and the next image of their progress that she has to have been given the cocaine in her drink. – 9:24 p.m. is the next time that there is an event. It is after that 30-minute mark. She has finished the painting. You heard Dr. Carney's testimony about how the symptoms would start off not severe, but it would escalate really quickly. And 9:24 to 9:28, you have 4 minutes. 4 minutes after he has put this in her drink. He is there and knows what he has done. And for 4 minutes, takes picture after picture with Jade Benning. Blaise Taylor went there with a plan. There was a plan. He has already poisoned her, and he is taking pictures with her. Blaise Taylor did not plan for Jade Benning calling Nijaiha Jackson. That hadn't happened yet. The last event that happens is that deleted picture, and within 45 seconds, Jade is calling her best friend. What did you do? She is calling her best friend scared, and she is not talking to Nijaiha. She is talking to Blaise Taylor. 6 minutes and 9 seconds. He is there. Jade is telling him, I can't feel my legs. I can't walk straight. He is there, and he is not saying anything to her. Like, Jade, what is wrong? What's going on? Let me help you. Come on, sit down. What is happening? You seemed fine just a second ago. What can I get you? Do you want me to call someone? You didn't hear testimony of any of that from Nijaiha Jackson. You also heard Blaise Taylor tell Detective Smith that third interview. He was describing what happened that night, and he said that Jade was trying to lay down. He didn't tell him, so then I helped her. He says that Jade was talking to him. Talking to him. And then he says she wasn't saying stuff right. Maybe she was kind of talking to Nijaiha. Now, at this point, when he tells this to Detective Smith, Nijaiha Jackson has already told everybody exactly what she heard her best friend said. She's told the people at the hospital, the first officer, the second officer, the detective, family and friends. She's told Blaise Taylor to his face, like, you didn't tell them what she said. He stood there for 6 minutes and 9 seconds knowing that he put cocaine in her drink and she drank it. Well, she said these things to him of, I know you did this. Stood there for 6 minutes and 9 seconds and did nothing to help her. At some point, Blaise Taylor figured out that Jade called Nijaiha. He tells Detective Smith that he was there when she called her and that he spoke to Nijaiha on the phone. And Jade told Nijaiha she wanted her to come over. Nijaiha Jackson's testimony was unimpeached about what she heard her best friend said and about what happened that night. Blaise Taylor did call 911. He did. But he already knew that Nijaiha had been on that phone call. Because this is before Nijaiha has gotten back to the apartment.